Record. Here we go. Okay. Okay.
You.
Oh my God, I spelled frog wrong. How do you do that?
Okay,
Frog.
what side? No, I can't do that. I can't do that. Can you?
No,
I already have it.
this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Save the image.
Save image as.
Let's just save to the desktop.
I'm gonna save it to downloads.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now we know where it is.
Yes,
Upload image.
yes. Go to download.
Downloads.
Another one, okay.
Open.
And then you get rid of background, let's see.
Download.
Download again.
Okay, and then upload media from device.
No.
Open.
Okay.
Banjo Kermit.
And then it'll download.
I don't think we'll cover my video.
Okay, okay, then you give it background, you spell background there, okay, good.
Yeah, I'm sitting there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then audio.
And
then-
may I ask why you have skeletons and tin cans?
What? Tin cans. Oh, that one was from his hearts. It was pretty nice.
Why is there skeletons?
Did you watch the video?
I didn't watch the end. I'm sorry.
Oh, let
Okay.
him record it.
Shocked.
Hold on. He's trying to show us how he do it, just let him concentrate this.
Green. Okay.
I see you.
Okay, skip ad. Pause it. Okay, and then you scroll down, share.
Yeah.
You can copy the link and then
Oh, you use converter. Okay, this is a new thing, guys. Look at this. This is really good. YouTube to MP3 converter.
and you can use this for any music, any sound effects, whatever you want, you can find on YouTube and you can put it in here.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you just paste the link here and it'll convert.
Then you got the background music,
Yep,
the whole thing, right?
yep. However long the video is, it'll
Nice. I like that.
download.
I like that. That gives us a lot of
Okay, upload media from device,
oh,
open,
nice.
and then it'll upload.
I see.
It's going.
Hey,
It'll
guys,
go.
learn from each other. I learned a lot from Nick just being doing this. I learned a lot from
Okay,
Hayden too.
and then,
Oh, that's how you make
yeah, you can control that.
control that, yeah.
And then,
Oh, that's so easy. Look at that. If you can make the frog is dancing, that'll be easy.
Having to spend each day the color.
Do you by chance have permit for me?
Nice. All right, can you show us how you,
I have a question. Is there any possible way to
show us how you do that in animation, that, that background stuff, yeah.
okay, no. And then I take this,
Yeah, show us your fighting.
okay, Kermit, he's gonna shrink over here. Okay, and then he's gonna, I'm gonna lessen this to like 3 seconds.
Uh-huh.
Bro, I'm gonna make a blue Sonic.
You know how to save those videos?
What?
And then you duplicate.
Okay.
Move 'em a little bit.
Okay. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is a good trick. Look at what he's doing. You just need to duplicate the slides
And then you move them a little bit.
Move it a little bit, that creates what? Create motion.
Yeah, 3 hours.
It does.
Animate button.
For an 11-second clip, I had 25 slides.
Yes.
Well, I mean, you could do.
It is painful.
But it's worth it.
You
It's
could
worth
press
it.
animate.
That's really weird.
No, if you press animate, all it does is it like moves the text. If you have text on the thing.
Okay, go keep going. Okay, see ya. Okay, what's another?
Ah, gotta move him here.
Minecraft.
Duplicate,
I see.
duplicate,
What's another? I see.
duplicate.
All right, that's good. Let's see how it looks like.
No.
Boom.
Oh, that's why it's moving a little bit slow, huh? Because
Wait, I gotta move here. This thing.
maybe each time you can make it for 1 second
Boom.
instead of 3 seconds.
See, he moves a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
If you
look.
make each of a slide, yeah, just 1 second. That'll be faster. Yeah, change it 1 second.
Maybe
I gotta
not
put
even,
it
like,
0.5.
0.5.
Okay, let's try it. Try it for each. Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna take a bit.
Is that? Oh yeah, you have to change each.
Yeah, this is painful because like if you end up looking through it and after making all these slides, and it duplicates the time as well, and then you find that it's too long.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Making video takes patience.
Yeah, you have to change each of these individually. What? I feel like she's laughing at my suffering just a little bit.
I'm laughing at you. You have a good patience. You have a very good patience.
0.5,
You can do it.
No, wait.
0.5.
Okay, let's try it.
I don't want
0.5. It's gonna look good. It's almost finished.
How many minutes?
Each of my like movements is either 5 seconds long at longest, and it's usually just like 0.5.
You just make a video. So this image you just Google the Google. Hey, look this.
Look at him move.
Yeah,
Look at him go.
Nice.
And then I can just duplicate it over and
Yeah,
over.
I got you. Okay, you don't have to duplicate it. So these gun firefighter, what do you call this?
No.
The
Master Chief.
Master Chief, you got it, where did you get it? Can you tell us?
Internet.
Where did you get it?
Google Images. Google Images is great.
And then you just get rid of the background, right?
Yep.
Oh, I got you. Thank you so much.
Boom. Look at him go.
Very nice. Thank you. Everyone, please show big hand. Nick just shared his. I love it.
Wait, I've got one more thing to share with
All right,
everybody.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. Power School. I'm about to show you something that you'll probably all appreciate.
Okay, everyone. Nick is showing something that he said that we will appreciate. Look.
But probably not you, Miss Clark, but everybody else here will like this a lot.
Are you gonna teach us something?
Sign in.
Okay, are you gonna teach them how to cheating?
No, I'm not going to teach them how to cheat.
Okay, good.
Learning. Oh.
Oh, that's mine.
I'm trying to figure out.
You need to go to your class, okay?
Wait, why did it sign in with hers?
What's up, guys? My name's Raccoon. My name.
Oh, you know what?
This is my house. I heard that.
Check out. Okay. Okay, go to your messages. Guys, y'all are gonna like this. Trust me.
Well, if they don't know, that's their loss.
Guys, I'm showing you how I rickrolled Miss Hart. It's gonna be great.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I know what it is.
She looks so depressed when she's on.
What happened?
I made something funny.
Send it to everybody,
Subject,
everyone.
why?
But, what?
Okay,
Don't do that.
okay. And then like, you take whatever link you want,
Uh-huh.
copy a link, okay? Paste. Evan, this is just being sent to you because it was the first thing I saw.
I want it, I know what it is now, I know what it is
No,
now.
I want.
This is the precious gem that otherwise we have.
They only fit like these. What am I doing? I thought.
Okay? I'm not gonna do that. And you copy this, right? Highlight whatever link you put in here and then click.
It's the opposite of what you would do, instead of, oh,
Okay.
never mind.
Send, right?
Yeah.
Send.
Now it
So
looks
you
like
have background music. So
It's-
you can change the video's background music however you want.
Okay, watch this. So it looks like it's my Canva link, right?
Yeah. Where's your video then?
It's still over here. It's a trick.
Okay.
That's how I got Miss Hart. Now you guys all know how to do it.
Oh.
Have fun.
All right, I like your video. Your trick is a trick.
It's a trap.
Yeah, go ahead, pause the recording now.
Okay, bye.
You pause it? Okay.
I've
Thank
turned
you.
off screen sharing and now I've got to turn off the recording. Okay, it won't.
You
there
can
we go.
end.